Hi, I'm David of Unit A Creatives, and I'm the writer and director of the ad for CulinariaBCD. What's up guys? Welcome back to Buhay Photographer. As I mentioned earlier, we did an ad for CulinariaBCD. It's a collaboration between Unit A Creatives and CulinariaBCD. I'm also one of the chefs behind CulinariaBCD, and we call the ad Turn That Dream Into a Reality. And today, we are gonna break down how we came up with the ad, how we came up with the concept, and how we executed the ad for CulinariaBCD. So as one of the chefs behind CulinariaBCD, I work with two other chefs, Chef Jill and Chef Enzo. We tried to be different with our ad this time. Instead of using classical music, we'll be doing something that's more current, that's more approachable maybe, that's more relatable to people, especially that our target audience will be people online, on Facebook specifically. We try to veer away from random shots of food. We want to focus this time on the technique and the process behind preparing the food. I came up with the concept, of course, with Unit A Creatives to do something that's a mix of both a sort of a short film treatment, and then somewhere in the middle is a showcase of what we provide and what services we provide for CulinariaBCD. That's the commercial part of the ad. So the main focus of the ad is more on the preparation versus the ads that we see most of the time, that those are shots of finished products. This time for the ad for CulinariaBCD, we want to show the audience the process of preparing food or food items. Okay, for example, in the ad you can see the lady, like in making pasta. She makes a well of the flour, and then she adds the egg to the well, and she starts to mix the egg with the flour. Basically, what we want the audience to see is the process, because we are a school and we don't just showcase the finished product. So we also want to showcase or to show that the kitchen is a happy environment. You can see the girl on the ad smiling while she's doing the food. She also has a mentor beside her while she's doing the food, because that's the basic service that we provide. We mentor students into creating the food that they want and the food that their future customers actually want to have. Other aspects of the ad is the showcase of the kitchen equipment, because those equipment are important for us to teach. Those are tools to teach basic cooking techniques and the basic cooking skills that the students need to know. Also in the ad, we can see the girl reacting as if she's curious to the food that she's preparing and what's happening to the food as she's maneuvering it, if you want to call it that way. Because in CulinariaBCD, we also encourage and want to encourage people to be curious and to find out more about food, because with curiosity usually follows knowledge. So for the challenges during the shoot, as mentioned earlier, the girl is in, well, the state where the girl is and everyone else is we are in the middle of a pandemic. So the girl there is alone. That also translates to our environment during the shoot, because we are under community quarantine, and there are restrictions imposed by the government to prevent the spread of the disease or the further spread of the disease. Those challenges we really had to work around, but it did not stop us from producing the ad that we wanted, because, well, it's a challenge that's also an opportunity for us to learn to work with minimal people and with minimal supervision. So this project basically taught Unit A Creatives, including myself, to be more efficient, to work efficiently, and to work with as minimal equipment as possible, because when you have a lot of equipment that you carry, you also need more people to bring into the team. So as I mentioned earlier, we wanted the story in the ad, and towards the end of the story is the twist. Watch out for that twist. Look for the video on Facebook and YouTube. Again, I am David of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. And we will see you in the next episode of Buhay Photographer.